Hey, first grade, I've got my longer and shorter chart that we created while measuring with our string, okay? So just to review, this longer than my string, we've got a chair, shelf, smartboard, rug, and door. And then shorter than my string over here, if you can see, I've got a marker, a cube, geoblock, eraser, and a pencil, okay? All of these materials on this side of my chart were longer than my piece of string, and all the materials over on this side were shorter than my string, okay? And we're gonna use this to complete the longer or shorter to page in our student activity book. Okay, so you can see on my screen, this is page 165. Okay, shorter or longer or shorter to. But I kind of want to talk about this before we go on to the longer or shorter to. Did you notice anything about the materials that we measured? Did you notice anything interesting? Did you ever find an object in the shorter than my string that was longer than an object in my longer than? Why do you think that is? First of all, did you? Anything that was longer than something over here? Okay, so everything on this side is longer than my string. So let's think about the first thing is a chair. So let's take, for instance, my chair right here, okay? This is my chair. If I was measuring this with my string, it is longer than my string, okay? And let's compare it to a marker, okay? A marker. The chair is still longer than my marker, but my marker is shorter than my string. Why is that? Why do you think that is? Okay. Things over here have to be longer than things over here, right? If we're measuring with a piece of string and something is shorter than the piece of string, then it has to be shorter than something that is longer than my string. Does that make sense? I hope so. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this chart to complete the longer or shorter to, okay? So for example, right here it says the pencil is longer or shorter than the desk, okay? So you've gotta take two items from this chart and fill it out, or maybe your chart is a little bit different than mine at home, and that's okay. You should have a longer than and shorter than your string chart at home, okay? Or your teacher should share you one with you. So let's talk, okay? Let's take these two items, okay? So I would put the shelf is longer or shorter than the cube. So I've got to pick, okay? Is the shelf longer or shorter than the cube? Longer. So I would have to circle longer. The shelf is longer than the cube, okay? Now let's think of another one, okay? Let's think of an eraser versus a rug. I could say the eraser is longer or shorter than a rug. What do you think? Whatever you think it is, you circle. And then you compare two more items and two more until you're completely done. Okay? So, first grade, get after it, have fun measuring, and see you later.